Hi everybody. I've been up in the shack tonight, bored, so I thought I would tackle a little job that I've been looking at for a while. A couple of years ago I was given a Yaesu FRG 7000 to repair. That'll be a message. Yeah, to repair, but unfortunately didn't have the spare parts. It was missing a display unit, which are pretty rare to get, plus it had a few wires hanging out here and there. Anyway, I'll just pop you on the other camera. So there it is. As you can see, it's all working now. I got a scrapper off of eBay which had, importantly, a new display unit in it, well, an old one, right? Anyway, so that was the important part. So I've been right through it now. There was a few wires hanging off, put them back where they should be. There was a few wires that were hanging off that weren't supposed to be there at all, so I got rid of them. And several joins that were held together with insulation tape. Beats me why people do that. I mean, you know, what's wrong with solder and heat shrink? It looks so much better. But anyway, they're all done as well. So for a long time now I haven't done much like this, but I am pleased to say that this baby is working spot on. I'll just show you. Let's just switch to the other camera. There we go. And God, these things really look nice. I'll just put a better light on it because it looks so nice with the light on it. There we go. So I started off on the lowest frequency, so we put it all the way down, and you just about pick up radio 4 on here, but the antenna that's with it, that it's connected to at the moment, is rubbish for that, because it's for amateur radio. It doesn't go down that low. Just to show it's on frequency though. Oh, it was there. It's gone now. Alright, well anyway, as I say, the antenna that it's on, oh, it's on the beam. Maybe be able to get it now. Oh, no luck with radio 4. Oh, hang on. Yeah, it's there. You could just hear it in the background, but as I say, the antenna is absolutely not good for that. So I've got this perched precariously on the corner so I could get it in the camera. Anyway, right. So if we go up to, that's top band. Find a nice signal on 80 meters, so let's take it up to 3. Make sure that unlock light's out. Bring the pre-selector up. You've already selected 1.6 to 4. So we go up on the yellow band, up to 3. Right, it's peaking out. So let's see what we can find. We go to USB, upper sideband, and around 3573 we should hit the FT8. Hey, he says. Oh, it is there. There's sounds like a timing signal from someone else is on top of it. Okay, so that's 80 meters working all right. So we go to. I'm wondering if that is actually. No, I thought it might. Yeah, it's coming through all right there anyway. So let's just whip up to 40 meters. Right, down the bottom end of 40 meters we want. So all the way down to the bottom to seven. Right, there we go. CW portion. Originally this had brown buttons on it, but the one I've got, well, the one I got off eBay had brown buttons on it. The one that I had before had black buttons on it. It looks a hell of a different when you're looking at it under this light, but to be honest, it doesn't make that much difference. Oscar Echo 5. Oscar Echo 5 somebody anyway. Right.
Я подчеркнул, что это не только сценарий Блинкина-Остина, это сценарий, это консенсус западного, и Блинкин и Остин держали громадную позицию в Штатах и на Западе в целом, вместе с украинской дипломатией.
Well, that's in the data portion. That sounds like one of these recorded propaganda stations.
16 июня 2022 года, когда эти капитулянты, мы с вами не связаны официальными должностями, можем говорить без ложной политической корректности.
Definitely. So come up here. Put it upper sideband and come up here. There's your FT8. So somebody's transmitting. Yeah, we've got some stations transmitting below in the data portion. Interesting.
Франция на этом работает. На своем с которого она гордится весь этот грандeur, заключается в том, чтобы схлебниканить американцам и вынесить перед Москвой этим.
Well, maybe it isn't then the propaganda station. I've heard a few of them on, but normally they're up in the higher end.
Uniform 0, Oscar, Victor Bravo. Receive your call.
Okay, well, so we'll go up to 14. Need a better antenna for that. So we're on there, so just got to peek it out. It's fiddly like this. I'll just find a station like FT8. Sticky switch, dirty switch. There you go. Awful noise. Anyway, let's go up here and see what we got. Pretty quiet now. It was pretty busy with Americans earlier.
Okay, really appreciate it, and I am really very glad to hear you again.
One more time, go ahead.
Okay, very good. Excuse me, I feel embarrassed. I don't remember your name, Robert.
Sorry, my name is Ismet, like it's my bad, sorry. My name is Ismet, like India. Sierra, Mike, Echo, Tango, Kyoto.
Okay, Ismet, very good. Sorry, but I'm an old man. My memory is not so good anymore. Nice to contact you, Ismet. Beautiful singer, 59++. Have fun, and we'll catch up again. Give my regards to Jan. Let's see. Thanks, Alpha 3, Alpha India, Kilo. Yankee... Yankee 2, Victor Echo Romeo, bye-bye.
Okay, the club call sign is Yankee Mike 3, Victor Bravo Radio. Yankee Mexico 3, Victoria Bravo Radio. Thanks for calling, Fred. 7 to 3. Have a nice weekend.
Yeah, I have it written down. I just couldn't read my own writing. Yeah. Good night. Bye-bye.
bye-bye. This is Yankee Mike 3, Victor Bravo, radio club station of Bolshevik. We are looking for North America, especially for US. This is YM3 VBR keyword.
So it's picking up lovely signals here. And if you go down to broadcast on 7 again, there we go, we'll just bring that down to 7. And then we go into AM. So as you can see, I mean, it's working absolutely gorgeous. And it looks so nice. I mean, there's a little bit of a mark on the screen here. Outwardly, I had to repair this light. This one was dead. The other ones all work as well, but that one wouldn't work at all. Just cleaned everything up around here. That's a switch for turns some. I think it's an audio out, although it didn't work when I tried it. But I'm not bothered about that. Speakers, headphones work. These are all okay. These are all okay. There was no lights in these. These ones were just wired up wrong, and there was plenty of spare wires hanging around all over the place, so I just cut them all off. And like, they don't do anything anyway. They were just literally attached. They were just attached to positive and negative, and just like insulation tape on the end, and just hanging around all over the place. So I just snipped them off. This one I couldn't find any bulbs to replace it with. Handy. Well, I could have took them out of the scrapper, but anyway, I put white LEDs in there. It's got a 9-volt supply, so I chucked a 330 ohm resistor on each one, and it comes up nice. But apart from that, there's just the one little bit, which is this part here. If you see, it's missing. Hang on, I'll just move it over here a bit. You can see it. That was actually quite badly busted up. I've trimmed it all back to make it all neat, and then I cut this one off the fascia of the scrapper. What I'm going to do is pop it on there. It will fit there, like that. Line it all up, stick it on, and then match it with the paint. Look, if you see, if I can do it like that, you can see that the bottom almost meets, the bottom almost marries up. Look, see? You just need to put a bit of filler in there and then paint it silver. It'll be fine. But I'm delighted with this. I don't know what it is about this. I like the Frog 7, I like the Frog 7700, like, you know, and the Frog 100 is an excellent receiver, but very, just this little bog standard looking. It's like a brown brick or a black brick. These things have got a bit of style about them. I just like all the flashy lights and everything. They just look nice. So it's definitely my favourite of the FRG receivers anyway. The S meter's a bit lazy on it. There's just a little pot inside the back there. Little VR401. If anybody needs to twiddle it on theirs, just twiddle that up and down until you get it. But it's quite lazy. It's reading okay. It's reading about 1.5 S points low at the moment. But I'm not going to bother with it. I'll just leave it as it is because it's a keeper. I'm not going to get rid of it. It still needs a bit of cleaning up around here, but it's a lot cleaner and a lot nicer than it was. Okay, anyway, I hope you enjoyed that little video about my... Oh, I'll turn this horrible great YouTube light off. Right, I hope you enjoyed that little video I made about my new, repaired Frog 7000. Beautiful receiver. If you ever get the chance to get your hands on one, grab it. They are really nice. 73s from M0 NMC at the Chaos Shack. Please like and subscribe. It's on that side, not that side. I always point it at the wrong side. But anyway, see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.